इस वीडियो में आपको 5 ईयर प्लान के ऊपर फुल डिटेल्ड वीडियो मिलेगी। पहली बार हम लेकर आ रहे हैं ऐसी वीडियो जिसमें 5 ईयर प्लान्स को लेकर इतनी डिटेल्स है और एंड में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। 5 ईयर प्लान्स आर ऑल्सो नोन एज पंचवर्षीय योजना। ये स्टार्ट हुआ 1951 में बाय फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। 5 ईयर प्लान्स डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स है भारत सरकार के। इसमें गोल्स एंड स्ट्रैटेजीज बनाई जाती थी फॉर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, सोशल डेवलपमेंट एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंप्रूवमेंट। इट वॉज फॉर्मुलेटेड एंड फाइनेंस्ड बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। 5 ईयर प्लान्स का कॉन्सेप्ट रशिया से लिया गया था। ईच प्लान वॉज फॉर 5 years. Each plan started from 1st of April and ended on 31st of March. अभी तक 12 5 ईयर प्लान्स बने हैं। फर्स्ट 5 ईयर प्लान। फर्स्ट 5 ईयर प्लान हैरड डोमर मॉडल के मॉडल पर बेस्ड था। हैरड डोमर मॉडल इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, सेविंग्स, कैपिटल अक्यूमुलेशन के रिलेशन को एक्सप्लेन करता है। ये रॉय एफ हैरड एंड FC डोमर ने इस कॉन्सेप्ट को कॉइन किया था। फर्स्ट 5 ईयर प्लान पीरियड वाज 1951 से लेकर 1956। इसमें इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ का टारगेट 2.1% था, बट अचीव्ड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ वाज 3.6%। एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर was main focus in this plan because there was shortage of food grain in the country. 5. Steel plants का foundation stone was laid in this period. Second 5 year plan. Duration was from 1956 to 1961. It was based on Mahalanobis model. महालानोबिस मॉडल कहता है कि इन्वेस्टमेंट होना चाहिए हैवी इंडस्ट्रीज में फॉर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द नेशन। सेकेंड 5 ईयर प्लान का मेन फोकस बेसिक एंड हैवी इंडस्ट्रीज में था। महालानोबिस मॉडल was given by P.C. Mahalanobis. He was a famous Indian statistician who founded Indian Statistical Institute. In this 5 year plan, Government of India adopted mixed economy concept. 5 steel plants were set up. Atomic Energy Commission was established in 1957. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research was born. इसमें इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ का टारगेट 4.5% था, but achieved economic growth was 4.27%. Third 5 year plan. Duration was from 1961 to 1966, also known as Gadgil Yojana. It was named after Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission, D.R. Gadgil. Main mission was to make India an independent economy by focusing on production of food grain and setup of heavy industries. Unfortunately, 2 wars broke out during this period. Sino-India War of 1962. It was war between China and India. Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. It was war between India and Pakistan. Now due to these wars, resources had to be shifted from food production and heavy industries to defense industry. Due to this sudden shift of resources, third 5 year plan was a flop as it was affected by wars and droughts. इसमें इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ का टारगेट 5.6% था, but achieved economic growth was 2.8%. Plan holiday. Duration was from 1966 to 1969. Third five-year plan was a flop due to war and drought. Government of India faced huge challenges in third five-year plan, and it was complete disaster. Now Government of India wanted to review and revise development strategies so that they can launch full-fledged five-year plan. Plan holiday is also known as annual plans. During this period, short-term annual plans are implemented and annual targets are set. Fourth five-year plan. Duration was from 1969 to 1974. This plan was under leadership of third Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. She was also the first Lady Prime Minister of India. Main focus of fourth five-year plan was agriculture. During the fourth five-year plan, 14 Indian banks were nationalized. Green Revolution started during this period. During this period, India-Pakistan War of 1971 broke out due to Bangladesh Liberation War, war between Pakistan and Bangladesh. Family planning was one of the most important target of fourth five-year plan. Economic growth target was 5.7%, but achieved economic growth was only 3.3%. Fifth five-year plan. Duration was from 1974 to 1978. Indian National Highway System was introduced. Fifth five-year plan focused on eradication of poverty, creation of employment and social justice. Economic growth target was 4.4%, but achieved economic growth was 4.8%. Due to public dissatisfaction with Congress Party, in 1977, Janata Party came to power, and Morarji Desai was elected as the first non-Congress leader to become Prime Minister of India. Newly elected Morarji Desai government in 1978 terminated the fifth five-year plan. Hence the plan could not complete its duration of 5 years. Rolling plan. Duration was from 1978 to 1980. Fifth plan was not completed due to following issues: economic difficulties, political instability, public dissatisfaction toward Congress Party. Government of India wanted to make more flexible approach to address these issues. Sixth five-year plan. Duration was from 1980 to 1985. In this plan, government wanted to focus mainly on agriculture, industries, infrastructure, social welfare. 6 Indian banks were nationalized in this period. Exim Bank was established. Exim Bank looks after export and import related banking. NABARD was established in 1982. NABARD is a development bank which provides loan for agriculture and allied activities. Indira Gandhi was killed in this period. Economic growth target was 5.2%, but achieved economic growth was 5.4%. Seventh five-year plan. Duration was from 1985 to 1990. It was based on community wage model. This plan was prepared by Pranab Mukherjee. Rajiv Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. Self-sufficient economy was the main of this five-year plan. SCBI was established. Blue Revolution was started. Preference was given to private sector over public sector. Economic growth target was 5%, but achieved economic growth was 6%. Again there was rolling plan. Duration was from 1990 to 1992. Eighth 5-year plan. Duration was from 1992 to 1997. It was based on John W. Miller model. It was under leadership of P.V. Narasimha Rao. LPG reforms started. Employment, education, public health was the main focus of this plan. India joined WTO, that is World Trade Organization. Mid-day scheme was started in 1995. Economic growth target was 5.6%, but achieved economic growth was 6.6%. Ninth 5-year plan. Duration was from 1997 to 2002. During this plan, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister of India. It was launched on the 50th year of Indian independence. Focus was on growth with social justice. Kargil War took place. Pokhran 2 nuclear test was conducted. Economic growth target was 6.5%, but achieved economic growth was 5.4%. 10th 5-year plan. Duration was from 2002 to 2007. It was under leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Manmohan Singh. Focus of the plan was on eradication of poverty and unemployment. Economic growth target was 8.1%, but achieved economic growth was 7.5%. 11th 5-year plan. Duration was from 2007 to 2012. It was prepared by C. Ranarajan. Theme of the plan was towards faster and more inclusive growth. Economic growth target was 8%, but achieved economic growth was 7.9%. 12th 5-year plan. Duration was from 2012 to 2017. Theme of the plan was more inclusive and sustainable growth. Economic growth target was 8%, but under leadership of Narendra Modi, Planning Commission was replaced by NITI Aayog. Now let us look at some of the questions answers related to 5-year plan chapter. Question number 1. When was the 10th 5-year plan introduced? Right answer is option 1. Question number 2. What is the time period of 12th 5-year plan? Right answer is option 2. Question number 3. In which 5-year plan was the industrial liberalization policy was adopted? Right answer is option 3. Question number 4. The concept of 5-year plan in the Constitution of India is borrowed from. Right answer is option 1. Question number 5. What was the duration of the second 5-year plan? Right answer is option 4. Question number 6. Which 5-year plan had the primary goal to establish India as a self-reliant and self-generating economy? Right answer is option 3. Question number 7. Which 5-year plan was based on Mahalanobis model? Right answer is option 2. Question number 8. Family planning was main target of which 5-year plan? Right answer is option 4. Question number 9. When was Planning Commission set up? Right answer is option 3. Question number 10. During which 5-year plan did India adopt mixed economy concept? Right answer is option 4. Question number 11. Which 5-year plan was affected by 2 wars and droughts? Right answer is option 3. Question number 12. Under which plan Blue Revolution started? Right answer is option 3. I hope कि आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो. So please like, share and subscribe our channel ताकि आपको हमारी न्यू वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. Thank you and have a great day ahead.